Hello everyone, this is Asif. In this video, we will learn how to scrub LinkedIn profile information without LinkedIn Sales Navigator or any paid tools. To scrub this data, we will use a SaaS product called Clay. I will attach the link in the video description. So after clicking on the link, you will land on this page, and at first you have to sign up. So here you can sign up with your Google, or you can sign up manually with your email and password, but I will go with Google sign up. Once you have completed the sign up, you will land on this page, and it will give you total 1000 credits as a free trial. It's for 13 days. By default on Clay you will got two tables, Clay starter workflow and Clay starter table, but we will create a new table by clicking on create new and then table. So once you came to this page, there will be lots of options to collect or scrub the data from Clay. So if you scroll it below, you can see here are company option, like you can scrub company data from here, and if you go down you can see here are people option, and there are also some other option like collect the data from Google search and import data from webhook, Apollo, and there are lots of options. So we need the LinkedIn profiles, that's why we have to click on find people from LinkedIn. If you have Sales Navigator, you can also use that too, but as I have no Sales Navigator, that's why I will use LinkedIn option. And here you go, there are lots of filtering option like Sales Navigator or Apollo IO. At first we have company sections. There are two options called Clay tables and comma separated lists. So in Clay table it will be all types of Clay tables you can include here if you have already collected any lead list. So I don't have any lead list right now or any Clay table, that's why I am skipping it. And then we have comma separated list. If we click it here, we have company sections. If you have a list of company or domains like Amazon, then it will only provide you the list lead list of these companies. So I don't want to do it, that's why I am skipping it also. Then we can skip the company option. After that we have exclude people option, but it's paid option, that's why I am not using it. And then we have job titles option. In the job title options, I want to collect the data of CEO only, that's why I am adding the CEO option. But if you want to add any other job titles, and you can include it here, and if you also want to exclude some job titles, you can put it here. Then we have experience sections. If you want a person who is working in a company almost 2 months or 5 months, if you want to add here, you can add it, but I don't need it, that's why I am skipping it. Then we have bio option. In bio we have two options called keywords in headline and keyword in about. If you want to put any keyword like a person who have a keyword called fitness in their headline and their about section, you can put it here, and it will provide you only the lead list, those who have the keywords in their headline and about sections, that's it. So I don't need to add it, that's why I am skimming it. And then it's the location, it's the important things for me. I want the data from Canada, that's why I am adding Canada. If you want to skip any location, like I can use USA, just showing you, that's it. Then we can move forward again. The profile sections, if you want the profiles those who have more than 500 or 100 connections, then you can put here, like I want the profiles those who have more than 500 connections on LinkedIn. I have added here. And then certifications, if you want to add any certifications, you can add it here, but I don't need it. Then the language option, I need only English profiles, those who have speak in English, I can add it. Then the education, I don't need it, that's why I am ignoring. Then the limit of result, in total I want only 50 leads, that's why I am putting here only 50. And then I have to click on preview to see the data, it will appear here, and I think it will take 1 minute or 2 minutes. Let's see. Here we go. We got almost 2000 lead, but as I mentioned that I need only 50 leads, that's why I got only 50 lead list. Now I have to import the data to a new table. You have to click on import people to new table. In import options you will got lots of options, but I will go with basic profile. I can enrich the profiles later. Just showing you to scrap the data, I will scrap only the basic profiles. So I have to click on continue for free, and it will scrap the data for me, the 50 leads here. If you can see, I got 50 leads. It's totally free, and I have to just export the file here from here. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how can I collect the email addresses of these prospects by using Play, you can comment below in this video, and I will make a video about this topic. And if you think the video was helpful, please like the video. Thanks.